What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is Monday, the second day of February. We're in a new week, new month, so January is behind us and we are here now in this new trading month. Let's get right into today's video and I'll go over the price action on Nasdaq 100 and the trades that I actually took today. Let me see if this template. Why is this thing? So yeah, this is what we did today. So we opened here from Sunday. We closed here on Friday, opened down here on Sunday evening, and we came all the way down into this order block before we decided to bounce. So today I wasn't expecting us to buy back up this strong, but we have a long week down here. So we came all the way down here. If you notice on this daily time frame, this 4-hour time frame, how we looking, come down into this and then we bounce right back up. So we have this new week opening gap here working with. We traded back up into it from in the early morning and we just went right through it at New York Open. As it currently at the new day today, this evening. This is Tuesday's 4-hour candle, and so we're pushing all the way back up. So currently we are all the way back up here. So what I'm seeing here is some strong bullish pressure. Don't know if the sell-off is over or we're just rising again for another drop lower. But see, we're back up. I have a swing position holding and possibly I could get stopped out. But see, even US 30 give us a stronger bounce than everything else. Stronger bounce here. Came back up to previous weekly high. Took out quite a few at the previous daily highs and going back up. This is what SPX 500 looks like, and it looks like we want to get all the way up there. So strong price action there. Let me see what gold look like. So gold actually sold off too and is recovering as well. Little bit of a range there today, and then we came back up since this evening. I think this will be reversed because we have a no wick candle here. We opened no gap really, and then now see we're just pushing up. So this could form another week for us to come back down, but let us see. This was a very sharp sell off on Friday, so I'm doubt this is the end of it. So that is what we look like on the higher time frame. Let's get down now to the 1 hour and 15 minutes. So this is Nasdaq on the 1 hour time frame, and last night there were quite a few opportunities. We had a large range. So if you notice, from all the way down here to all the way up here, this is over 700 points move. So it's all of this right here and then coming back up. So we had a sharp recovery today. So sold off last night. There were some opportunities to get in for the buys. I didn't trust the buys, so I didn't get in, as well as I didn't wake up for London session. This is it on the 15 minutes time frame. This template needs to be reset so I can show you. But yeah, this is what we look like today. So bought all the way back up today. Now let's get into, I took a few trades today. I think I took about 2 or so trades today. Tried to take a sell, got stopped out, and then I took a buy and I got stopped out break even. Alright, so let's go over the executions. Let me show you now on MT5. So this is it. Having some issues with my MT5 because I can't get magic keys to work. It keeps freezing on the chart since this new MetaTrader update. So let me show you the sold trade that I took today. I have to be using manual execution because magic key is not working. So this is where I took the one trade. I tried to sell it here thinking we would come back down from this spike, but today was straight bullish action during the 9:30 period. So here straight bullish, went up, tried to buy it, took the buy here, and I went break even too quick because this was a breakout trade. When break even too quick, we came back down and I got wicked out, and we just ran for the entirety of the day. I didn't get a next chance to enter. This was a better entry up here, but I didn't get a chance to enter. I'll go over all of those entries, but we pretty much ran for the rest of the day. But kind of slowed down throughout lunchtime because this was a pretty huge move overnight, as well as a push up, a strong push up during the AM, the New York AM session. So let me now show you on trading view what we did. So from right out the bat, these first macros gave us some pretty decent opportunities. This first few value gap give us a buy. Then we started to sell off because we traded right through the gap up, and then we started to sell off all the way back down. So the sell off brought us all the way back down to pretty much the lower the day, the lower the overnight session. So for this macro, we had a sell. This was right around 9. Then we had another sell off, another sell entry here right around 10, and then we had another entry right around 11 here before we got a little bit of a bounce, and then we continued selling off right around midnight going into London session. So we sold during London as well, coming all the way down here right at the midnight open. We had a nice little drop before we decided to base out here and form a marking diamond. Nice even here right about 2 m from Freeland. We are looking for some very good entry. So as I just continue from there. It was one entry and another one here retest of this. Either the value gap or the what you call it now, body balance here, or it could as a breakout this of the entry. Then we can go. It was not actually this mark, but no main pullback. No major pullback something. We are not actually here. So boys, during London session, I was running pullback into a few other later in my 5. We can just go from there. So 5 a.m. Sunday, then I got into the NY when we actually hit and here 9 we just can't make but this was an entry here and an entry here with 30. Didn't have it as per se, but it's not that way up. Right up in session was the dollar right out the bat. Let's buy it the way there. This is where I get time. I have to say that first, but because usually this move kind of first half, usually, well, sometimes, let's say, and then we start to continue in there. So, okay. I think I lost like 50 years because I said to risk like I want to talk about the and I continue. It was a much cleaner, much better. I gotten a decent entry right here to catch these longs for over 150 pips. 150 risk was pretty good as well. If you correctly, you could have set the stops again. Nice breakout continuing. We had a pullback here from the tree. Entry from this right. And for that period there. So 11 a.m. down to give us entry and they can give us an entry. We can't give an entry. So trade here, but don't really going into lunchtime. In lunchtime, sideways still going up, decent entry right here. But this time I had to be posting on the work and I decided to just call it. So this is that executive macro at around 11:50. So this is the one I guess time. Some people start there and then pull back in the example is the super entry right here. Probably a little bit of volatility spike here around going into those and liquidity. So we just continue right up like pull back a bit. But that is how we ended today. But yeah, so today went. Not much trading on my end. I'll show you guys I take a screenshot of the execution. Let me take a screenshot show. Just for checking my journal. So only took 2 inches. But that is really it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one tomorrow. So peace.